Kids Storytime Sparkles intro music plays. Welcome to Kids Storytime Sparkles. Today we have a magical and colorful science experiment just for you. It's called the Magic Milk Experiment. Are you ready to make some colors dance? Let's get started. First, pour some milk into a shallow dish. Make sure it covers the bottom. Do you know why we use milk instead of water? Milk has fat, which makes the colors dance. Now add a few drops of different food coloring to the milk. Look at how the colors stay separate. What colors are you using? Let us know in the comments. Here comes the fun part. Dip a cotton swab into some dish soap. This is where the magic happens. Now touch the milk with the soapy cotton swab and watch the colors dance. Wow, look at those colors move. Do you know why this happens? The soap breaks down the fat in the milk, causing the colors to swirl and mix. Amazing, right? Want to see more fun experiments? Tap the shiny subscribe button and join our sparkling family for more exciting science adventures. Thanks for watching Kids Storytime Sparkles. Remember to always sparkle and shine. See you next time.